Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to focus on number 7, whereby we are told to calculate the mass in grams of solid cone whose height is 12 centimeters and length of the slant height 13 centimeters, given that its density is 1,400 kilograms per meter cubed. We are taking pi as 22 out of 7. Let us check this kind of a question. Remember, there is a cone here. A cone is a pyramid which is circular based. Now we are told that the slanting length is 13 centimeters and the vertical height is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. So we're going to use the slanting height and the height to get the radius. Now that the vertical height meets the diameter at right angles, they form a triangle, and we will have to say that 13 squared minus 12 squared, then we obtain the square root. This will give us the radius. So radius is going to be 13 squared minus 12 squared, then we carry out the square root, and this gives us exactly 5 centimeters. Therefore now I must get volume of this cone now that I have both vertical height and radius. Then the volume of a cone is given by a third pi r squared multiplied by h. So I'm going to have a third pi 22 over 7, a radius of 5 squared times a height of 12. So this will give us the volume of the cone in cubic centimeters. Therefore, this volume of the cone is going to be, when I take a third and I multiply it with 22 out of 7, then I multiply it with 5 squared times 12. This gives me exactly 314 and 2 out of 7. Yeah, 314 and 2 out of 7 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters as volume. Now with this volume and we have density, we can now get mass. We should know that mass is usually given by volume times density. Volume times density. So this volume of 314 and 2 out of 7 should be multiplied by the density. But now this density has to be converted, because we want the mass in grams. Then we can make this one grams per cubic centimeter by dividing it by 1,000. This becomes 1.4. This becomes 1.4. We divide it by 1,000 to make it grams per cubic centimeter. Therefore, when we multiply by 1.4, now we will find ourselves having the mass as exactly 440 grams. So that is how we get the mass in grams of this solid cone. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.